Welcome. Before we begin, I recommend putting on headphones if you have them. While this meditation is effective without them, the music includes subtle sounds that are best experienced with headphones. Feel free to pause here and grab them if needed. Otherwise, let's get started. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position. Take a moment to adjust your posture so that you feel balanced and at ease. Allow your sit bones to anchor you and gently lengthen your spine, feeling a sense of stability. Rest your hands naturally in your lap and softly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your chest and belly expand, and then exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. Let your attention settle on your breathing. Notice the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded in the present moment. As the music begins to play, let it become the focus of your awareness. Listen closely to the sounds. Notice their tones, their rhythm, and their flow. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. It's natural. When you notice your attention drifting, gently guide it back to the music. There's no need for judgment or frustration. Just return, again and again, to the sound. Think of this meditation as a gentle exercise for your focus and attention. Just like strengthening a muscle, the more you practice, the more resilient your focus will become. Even if your attention only stays with the music for a few seconds at a time, that's progress. Every moment of focus counts. Now, I'll leave you to immerse yourself fully in the music. Allow it to anchor you in the present moment. Stay with it. Trust the process. When you're ready, start to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you supporting your weight. Notice the sensations in your hands and feet. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Roll your shoulders or stretch if it feels good. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Welcome back to the present moment. You've done something meaningful today by showing up and practicing. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Whether you focused for a few seconds or a few minutes, you've taken a step toward building your focus muscles. With practice, your ability to stay present will grow, and you'll see the benefits spill into other areas of your life. Thank you for meditating today. Be proud of your effort and keep showing up for yourself.